Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today's session will be all about the running the project. So execute the project that we have discussed yesterday. So let's begin this. So for the today mm session, we will be discussing the project, right? Our project, what are they and how they are working it fine or not, right? So first of all, that importing requirement libraries. So uh, we require the libraries for the pandas, like handling the tabular data like CSV files, linear regression, and train test split. Hmm. And then loading the data set like data pd.read underscore dot csv. Then we have the set of data here, splitting the data into features x and targeted y, and again the splitting the data set, the train the set data set and the train the data set like that. That means 20% of the data is kept for the testing. So training the model, so we'll using the linear regression here, and afterwards making the prediction here with that data and compare prediction with actual prices. That's what the code is written for. And predict a new house price, like what. So how this models is predicting actually. So linear regression predict the target y price using the formula where m1 m2 is the weight coefficient learned from each other size. Input features values for the size, bedroom and age. For an example, if we learn equation price 150 size, like that. Result, you can see that the prediction versus actual price and how well the model predict the data in that, right? Now we're gonna look for the code part, that what we have. So we had two files. It's one is .csv. It's for the pandas that we are using the rows and columns here. You can see that it's all stored in the Excel. So size, bedroom and age, price. Size is 1000, bedrooms 2 and age like 10 and price is like 20,000, something like that, right? And then afterwards we have given the code here. So these are the libraries we are getting. Loading the data, prepare the input and xy, split the data into training and testing threads, train the linear regression, predict on the test data, predict prediction versus actual price, predict the price for a new house. So that's what we are doing here. And if you look for the prices of the new house, so 23,000, 2,36,000 and 0.24 we have got for the new actually things. So I would say that this was actually quite easy project was there, and hope that you like the project because that we've been giving the sort of data to the model and it's predicting using the linear regression, and the libraries itself the Python have, right? So they are dealing with it in an easy way, in a proper way, I would say. And lots of things has to be discussed, but since that the project was so simple, so I would say that we just started it, right? And now we'll again look for the second project for the tomorrow session, and we'll talk about the theoretical part and the execution part will be afterwards. So that's how, as much as we can solve the project, create the project and try to solve the real world problems, right, with that. So that's all of my time for the today, and see you in the next, catch you in the next, and then bye.